Every single successful person on this planet Earth that you know about has a personal brand. Today I want to show you why you should too and what the benefits of it are. Because you have a personal brand anyways, no matter what you do. The personal brand that you bring to the table is what other people think about you and talk about when they talk about you when you aren't in the room. This is your personal brand. But if you purposefully build your personal brand, you can start to direct what other people talk about when they talk about you. So let's get into this. Just a matter of fact that every single person that you know about but didn't meet personally has a personal brand always says enough. This already is enough for you to understand why building a purposeful personal brand is really important. From people from the 18th century, you know some people that lived there. They have a personal brand. So, it has been really important for centuries and centuries of this of humanity on earth. You know about Caesar, so if he hasn't this brand that surrounds him, maybe those times ago it wasn't called a brand, but in today's world we can call that Caesar had a brand. So today I want to show you what the benefits could be for you to really implement this and start building your personal brand purposefully. So, number one benefit would be for just a job. If you have a personal brand, you can bring more to the table for a job. If you have a job and a personal brand with just 1,000 or 2,000 followers, you can implement this into your job interview, tell them that you have some value to bring to the table because it's an audience that you could sell to, and this automatically increases your perceived value to the employer. On the other side, if you are an entrepreneur or self-employed, your personal brand gets you attention. It gets you the attention online. If you can build it purposefully, you can get the right attention from the right people for your business. That's the keyword for our next point, which is founder-led brands. I've done a video on this. I will link it in the description down below for you to watch. Founder-led brands are the future, and those are fueled by personal brands. The founders have personal brands. They are so-called founder-led because they are the founders of a business behind it that monetizes their personal brand. So they connect the audience with the business. So founder-led brands, huge benefit if you have a personal brand. Otherwise, founder-led brands wouldn't even exist. The next point, the next benefit would be it gets you opportunity. If you have a big personal brand, brands, companies start to reach out to you. You get into other opportunities. You start to get new proposals, business opportunities. They start coming towards you and you don't have to reach out so much anymore. So that's why you should build a personal brand so it can take the heavy lifting off your shoulders. Next up is getting clients. This is really, I would say, simple to understand because if people start to like you, they will be more moved to invest into you, into your business, into your service or your product because they like you and want to support you, and they want to choose you over another person or another business because they think, because of the parasocial relationship you have with them, that they know you better than the other business. So getting clients, huge opportunity, huge benefit of a personal brand. The next thing is it raises your status. If you want that or not, it's always beneficial if your status is higher than somebody else's, because people start to look up to you. You can use this for good. You don't have to think that this is evil. A higher status is always something that you can use and benefit from. Higher status will get you, once again, more opportunity. It will get you more reach, more credibility. It will help you out in every single thing you do. The second last thing I want to talk about is that it gets you into bigger rooms. It gets you the possibility to talk to people who are on another level. It creates the opportunity to level up your network and really get into circles you haven't thought are possible before. So with that being said, the last thing is just start out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Of course, if it is high quality and really good, it will benefit you, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get over procrastinating over it and just get going. There are almost no downsides to it. Yes, publicity, yes, if you do something bad, but if you do something bad, it's bad anyway. So yeah, really the upside is way higher than the downside. And with that being said, keep building.